Alright guys, are you ready for this? I'm gonna set you right here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see me. Let's pull this out. Okay, so you might be able to see the box. Bag of Soylent Green. This is a little over a pound. And 2 little bags in here. Ken's really good about rubber banding everything. Sorry if I don't get things directly on film. It's hard to do this with one hand. Alright, so how is everybody? I'm excited. I'm gonna sit you down while I do this. Alright. Let's see, do I have a place I can set the bags? Gotta open up the tank. So I can pop the bags in there. Hoping I'm not going to overflow the tank when I the bags. Bag number 1. Sencha. Look how beautiful this fish is. Hi, Sencha. How are you? Alright, let's float you. Not a happy fish right now. Okay, now let's get Gyokuro out. Hi, Gyo. There's a little bit of bruising around the wen, but everybody looks okay to me. I'll float these guys for 30 minutes, and I'll come back later with a regular video, even though they really want to be in the tank. Not a happy little fish. I am so excited, guys. This is my shipment from Dandy Orandas. I say thanks to Ken. He always does a wonderful job, and everybody got here just fine. I have a feeling that the wen darkening isn't a bruise so much as it is just stress. But I've got 2 beautiful new Orandas now. I'm very excited. Thanks for watching. So I just released them a few seconds ago. They may not be super active, but you can get some good video of how they look. The dorsal's a little messed up here, but I don't really call it a problem. Just looks like an old injury. But I knew that the flaws were there. There's so much happy. And Gyokuro's there in the back. Gyo, hey. Hi. Oh, Sencha. Gyo, come here. They're stirring up all of the mulm that the filter media from my canister made in this tank. There's probably a couple of little wormies in here for the media, but I don't really call it an issue either. Here's Gyo. Hi, sweetie. Hi. I'm pretty sure that this fish is a boy. I'm not entirely sure about Sencha here. Might be female, might be male. I can't really tell. Fins don't really offer much. I may check the vent once they've settled in. I'll probably go make some rapashi right now because they need something to eat. So here are my fish in my tank. I'm so happy to have both of them. A little more close-ups of Gyo because he's adorable. Those palms. Excuse me, we want to cuddle. Hi, Sencha. I'll do an update video maybe later this week once they've all settled in and I've gotten them fed a few times and learned genders and personalities. Because right now they're a little upset with me. There they are.